What up, what up, what up? Got a 2005 Volkswagen. Doing the air pump. Okay, this is a V6. Secondary air injection pump. Passenger side is right here in the fender well. Looks like this. You got two lines going into it. Electrical plug on the bottom. Way we get to this is T25s. One right there, one right there, one right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe 5, maybe 6. You might not have to take them all out. And there it is right there. You got 3 10mm bolts holding it in. And you see the plug on the bottom. And you see those two lines going in. Alright, but it's going to be a lot easier to get into it if you remove that fender liner. So that's what we're going to do. So I got these T25s loose, and there you can see it. So what you want to do is just come up under here, squeeze that tab, unplug the electrical connector. You got 3 10mm bolts. 1, 2, third one is over here on this side. And then these little plastic rubber grommets you need to transfer to the new part. And once you unscrew the tins, you can easily get to the lines. You just squeeze the lines together. So it's pretty easy to get to the bolts on the bottom if you're looking from the bottom and not the side. Instead of pushing this tab, I like to come here with a pick sometimes and pull down right there and then pull it out. So see, it's stuck on that. So when I say pull down, I mean this tab right here, that little black tab. You want to pull that down, and that's catching on that. So before you get this out, you're gonna probably have to disconnect these lines. So you just squeeze them together. So, squeeze them right here. I might need 2 hands for this, but and we got water. So look out, you might have some water. I don't think it should, but it might be why it went bad. So right in my mouth, you nasty little whore. We got a squirter. I'm just gonna squirt my mouth like that, huh? Okay. I like it. Come here, baby. Go and do that again. Go ahead and squirt for daddy again. Squeeze that fucking. So, once she squeezes the other one and get that top line out, it's, oh man, it's just fucking pissing all over me right now. Let me, god damn, it's just, oh, my fucking mouth was open. Alright, let me fucking wipe my face off. Fuck. Wipe my goddamn mouth off. So looks like I'm gonna have to take the bracket out. Let me take these off. Got some pussy juice on that. Alright, so there's a 10mm there, 10mm there, and there's another one right there going sideways, and I'm pretty sure there's another one somewhere. It's like there might, I don't know if you gotta take that one out. Maybe there is one right there, but I'm gonna take those 3 out. That's it. And then I'm just gonna try to bend the bracket down and maneuver it out, because I try to do the least amount of work as possible. Work smart, not hard, baby. Okay, so like I said, I took them 3 bolts out and I bent the bracket, as you can see. And let's say you got this secondary air injection inefficient flow. Could be the air pump. Secondary air, which is this. So we're replacing, right? But could be one of these lines are simply unplugged. So if you follow the line, or could be this is the air filter. Could just be air filter clogged up or something. Could be these lines unplugged. Could be this line's unplugged, or there's like some kind of obstruction in the line. Okay, so it's not always, if you got inefficient flow in the secondary air injection, it's not necessarily the air pump. You might want to check your lines, check your air filter, make sure those are clean and flowing unobstructed. Now, if you got to take this bracket all the way out, there's just one more 10mm bolt right up there. So there. Okay, so I'm gonna just drop this new one in there. After I transfer my rubber grommets here, transfer these from the old one into the new one, drop it in there, button it all back up. These little black holes right here go onto those, like so. You put a little lube on there if it's giving you a hard time. Okay. Alright, so I'm gonna transfer these, slap it back up in there. Reset this check engine lights, give you an update. So that's it right there. Transfer your grommets, make sure everything plugged back in. These lines should not fall off by themselves. You should be able to, should have to squeeze them, and I think that's the problem here. This line up to go into the air filter likes to fall off pretty easily, and that could cause a vacuum leak problem here. So good idea probably to replace that tube, probably what we're gonna do. But what I'll do is just clear the code and see if it comes back, and if it does, then I will replace that line. Otherwise, if this fixes the problem, we'll just leave it at that. So I'm just gonna put these little T25s in there, button it all back down. That is the air injection, secondary air injection pump on a 2005 Volkswagen Touareg with a V6 motor. Thank you for watching.